If you're trying to uninstall Epic Games Launcher and keep running into an error, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix for the Epic Games Launcher uninstall error so you can remove it properly from your PC. This is especially helpful if the uninstall button is stuck, the launcher won't close, or Windows keeps saying the app is still running. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is close every Epic related process that may still be running in the background. To do that, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see all active processes. Now look through the processes list for anything named Epic Games Launcher or EpicOnlineServices. These background processes can prevent Windows from uninstalling the program properly, even if the launcher window is already closed. Once you find one of those processes, right-click it and select End Task. Do the same for any other Epic-related processes you see. The goal here is to make sure nothing from Epic is still active before you try uninstalling again. After you've ended the tasks, close Task Manager and move on to the next step. Now, open the Control Panel on your computer. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Windows search bar. Once it opens, click Programs and then choose Programs and Features. This section shows a list of all installed software on your system. Scroll through the list until you find Epic Games Launcher. When you see it, right-click on it and select Uninstall. If Windows asks for confirmation, go ahead and approve it. Since you already ended the background processes, the uninstall should have a much better chance of completing successfully. If it starts removing the launcher, let it finish all the way through without interrupting it. In many cases, this is enough to fix the uninstall error and fully remove Epic Games Launcher from your PC. If you still see an issue, double check that no Epic processes are running in Task Manager and try the uninstall one more time. Sometimes a lingering process or a small background service is all that's causing the problem. Once the uninstall completes, you can restart your computer to make sure everything is fully cleared out. And that's it. You've now fixed the Epic Games Launcher uninstall error by ending the related processes first and then uninstalling it through Control Panel. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.